All right, so the benefits of the rejuvenation shot are everything you would expect to see that's been written about online through Dr. Nguyen's website. When I lift during my farm chores, when I'm lifting, I'm not leaking anymore. When you have that urge to cross your legs when you're just laughing with your girlfriends and trying to not leak, I don't have those urges anymore. It's been so perfect. My girlfriends all around me are like, stop making me laugh, I'm going to pee. And I'm like, I'm not. And you need to go see Dr. Rejuvenation because it truly does change that. And then I am now able to have those orgasms so much more effortlessly than I've had in years. And so I know I've told my husband that this is something that we'll maintain once a year, and we'll do the laser treatment once a year, we'll do the rejuvenation shot once a year to maintain the results, especially as I continue to age. But I'm telling you, there's just not enough words to express how this has changed